So in this BTCC tutorial, I will be showing you how to withdraw crypto here on BTCC. So once the app's opened up, go to the bottom left and select the home icon. Once you're here below the blue deposit button, there's this sort of line of different options. Slide it all the way to the right and then select on where it says more. Once you're on this page right here under all features, the fourth line down underneath convert beside transfer and VIP, it says withdraw. Go ahead and select that icon and then go ahead and select crypto withdrawal. So once you're on this page right here, you can go ahead and select the cryptocurrency. For this demonstration, I will just use Bitcoin as an example. Then once you're here, you can go ahead and type in the withdrawal address, the blockchain network, the withdrawal amount, as well as the withdrawal address platform. Once you have this all filled in, it'll show you the transaction fee, the actual amount received. You can go ahead and acknowledge this, press submit, and then proceed that way with the crypto withdrawal. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to withdraw crypto here on BTCC. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.